How to remove subscriptions in Google Play. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can remove your subscriptions from Google Play, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove the subscription from Google Play, open the Google Play app, tap the profile icon from the top right, go to the option called payment and subscriptions. Then once you're there on this page, you want to simply go to the option called payment methods, as you can see at the very top. But if you want to view your active subscriptions, then you want to simply go to the option called subscriptions, and if you have any type of subscriptions left, then you should be able to find them here. You can just go ahead and select that specific one and then tap the cancel or stop subscription button in order to remove that specific subscription. This way you can stop subscription on Google Play. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.